Good afternoon, all of you. Today we are going to deal with the topic that is hazardous waste symbols and signs. So before that, you already know that the definition of the hazardous waste. And now this hazardous waste, it may be solid, it may be liquid, or the gas. So all these three forms, the hazardous waste are available to us. In case of liquid and gas form, it is not a big issue, but when these solid waste are present in the solid form, then it is considered to be very hazardous for the human health or the nature. So in order to manage this solid waste, these certain rules are put forward by the Indian government, and these rules are said to be hazardous waste management and handling rules. So these rules was first put forward in 1989, and in these rules 18 categories of the waste has been listed, and later on in 2003 this rules was again amended. Even in 2000 it was again amended, and after the amendment, the hazardous solid waste on the basis of process generation waste, मतलब कहाँ से ये hazardous waste जनरेट होता है, उन्होंने 5 क्लास में उसको 5 different types में उसको क्लासिफाई किया था. That start from the alphabet capital A to E, and based on the concentration limits. Now the characteristic of the hazardous waste. Sir, hazardous waste characteristic हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा है. 4 प्रकार के होते हैं characteristic. एक होता है ignitivity, next is reactivity, third one is corrosivity, and fourth one is toxicity. So we are going to deal with this topic ignitivity in detail. So ignitable substances, मतलब ऐसे कौन से सब्सटेंस होते हैं जो कि हैज़ार्डियस है और उनको इग्निटिबिलिटी में रखा गया है. तो ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस जो लिक्विड फॉर्म में होते हैं और जिनके वेपर्स दे कैन कैच फायर इजीली. सो दिस सब्सटेंस आर सेड टू बी मतलब इग्निटेबल substances. And certain substances, they are non-liquid form, but still they can catch fire. But when coming in contact with another things by means of friction, you can say that. So ignitable substances, they may again divided into 4 types. One of them is the flammable solid. So its signs is represented, or symbol is represented by this way. So flammable solids, one can ignite from friction. This is the symbol of the flammable solid. Next is flammable liquid. So one having a flash point below 60.5 degrees Celsius, make it correction, 60.5 degrees Celsius it is. So this is a symbol of flammable liquid. Next is the ignitable substances, again combustible liquid. Combustible liquid, one having a flash point in excess of 60 degrees Celsius but below 93.3 degrees Celsius. Again, you can find out a symbol where it is mentioned danger and combustible liquid it is, and it can catch fire. Next is ignitable substances, flammable compressed gases. So it exists in gaseous phase at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. So you can find out this symbol normally in this way: compressed gas. Next, that is reactive substances. So reactive substances are those that tends to undergo rapid rapid or violent reactions under certain conditions. Example for sodium metal: when you put sodium metal in open, it normally explodes, so it reacts with the atmospheric oxygen. So one example of reactive substance, that is sodium metal. So these metals are kept in normally kerosene, that is any type of liquid. Next is, they normally reacts with the oxygen, atmosphere, and oxidizes. Next is corrosive substances. The definition normally, they are those substances that dissolve metal or cause oxidized material to form on the surface of the metal. म्हणजे मेटल के सरफेस पे इनका डिपोजिशन होता है, ऑक्सीडाइज होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल है रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन. So the symbols, you can find it out. Corrosive substances, that is something pouring from the test tube. So these are corrosive, should not touch this. So these are the symbols of the corrosive substances. Next, coming up to the last topic, that is the toxic substances. So toxic, you must be knowing, this includes both long-term chronic effects from continual or periodic exposure to low level of toxicant, and acute effects from a single large exposure. मतलब you can say that if they are taken continuously on the low amount and continuously doses, so after a particular period they may be toxic to a particular organism. So you can say that they can be acute effects from the single large exposure. Single large doses of exposure अगर मिला तो क्या होगा, वो बहुत टॉक्सिक साबित हो सकता है. Next, toxic symbols normally skull with 2 bones. So with this we have completed the symbols of the hazardous waste. So after visiting any type of biomedical hospital or nursing, hospital, certain clinics, you can find out certain special transport system, and where this sign and symbols are already labeled and present on the transportation system. So in order to transport this hazardous system, these signs and symbols are very important in order to find out whether the given waste is ignitable, it is corrosive, it is reactive or toxic. Thank you for attending the lecture.